So guys, Merry Christmas to each and everyone. Right now I am at the Pinewood Hotel. You can see I am wearing the formals and I'm going to go for the celebrating Christmas with one Khasi boy, and then Naga ladies are also here. And before all of them, I think I met my another personality who's so loving to me. Hi. Hello, Bandri. Sundri is here and she is, I want to say, Merry Christmas to you.
Same to you.
So today we are here in Shillong. So if you want to celebrate the Christmas, so which is the church which is where we can go?
Cathedral.
Laimukra. Okay, there are two churches or one church is biggest? Like Laimukra is the biggest?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to go there, and I'm very thankful to this lady because she is very person, and I love Khasi and the people of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
And enjoy. See you now. I'm waiting for a Khasi boy. So here he is, Johnny brother. Hello, hi. How are you? You can see, guys, we were planning to meet for so long in Goa also.
Not from Goa.
From Goa. He is so much loving to me. I'm thankful to you. At last, finally we met from Goa. Then I was in Nagaland also, and then from Nagaland to Assam I came, and then he got to know I'm here. Yeah. Then he said, I'm not gonna leave without meeting now. And today he's the one who is going to take me out for the Christmas, and then we're gonna celebrate more, and then we're gonna meet more people later in night. But before that, this is the time for him, and he is the one. See you. Keep watching, guys. His car, you can just see, very nice car, and he's so shiny. So commando style. So guys, let us try to enjoy. We are going to Johnny's house, and you can just see behind me the decorations are so nice. This is Shillong, guys. You see PB, Police Bazaar, and behind me you can see the beauty. We are going right now. So let's go. Let's start. So we are inside with Johnny brother and his brother. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Aaron.
Aaron. So Aaron is also here. Together we are going to celebrate. You can show your face also. So we are going. Stay tuned. Okay. So guys, you can just see this is Shillong, beautiful Shillong, and you can see the beauty on the Christmas Eve. This is Christmas evening, guys, and आप देख सकते हैं कितना खूबसूरत है Shillong. I was not aware that during Christmas here the vibe is like this, and I just heard it, but today I am watching this. That is so beautiful, guys. You can just see the market, so nice, and so much of lightning is here. So much of, you can just see a Christmas tree also behind Baba Tourist Lodge. See the beauty, guys. This is Shillong, the beautiful Shillong, and the beautiful people are with me here driving Johnny brother. So guys, you can just see. So guys, finally we have reached to this beautiful house. You can just see the Christmas vibe, and yeah, we are here, and the car is going to get parked, and then we're going to get inside. So stay tuned. Hello, hi. Merry Christmas to you. Hello guys, you can just see the beautiful house and the beautiful people I met all here, and they have like so much loving. So we are going to enter the house here. Hello, hi. You can just see, guys, the Christmas vibe. Boom, so nice. So nice.
This one.
Christmas, Merry Christmas. Hello. Hi. So guys, this is the beautiful place, the beautiful house, and the beautiful people. So nice. Really wonderful. Hi. You can see the star. Very nice. So finally I seen the Christmas.
What?
Strong woman, because you are, you Johnny ko handle karna not easy. Johnny ko handle karna not so easy. So guys, finally we have reached at the house of Johnny brother. Hello, hi, thank you so much for bringing me here. And guys, the vibe of this place is so amazing, and I met another brother here. Hello, hi, what's your name? Long, and he's the friend of Johnny. Yes, and both the brothers, and we are now going to also celebrate the festivity of Christmas with him. And yes, we are going to do a lot of talk also, and then so guys, keep watching. But before you watch, I'm gonna show you about this place also. But before I show the place. I'm going to talk to Johnny as well first. But Johnny, how you feeling? I am in your house now. Have you imagined? Have you thought of?
Nice. It's so nice because I've been trying to meet you since September.
September, yeah.
We're going to Goa, and the second time in Guwahati, and now finally in my house.
In your house. So guys, as I said, those who believe me, they receive me, and he believed and loved me. Hence I am here, and this is called the miracle of love. Love can bind people anywhere at any time without any planning, and this suddenly happened. And I was not aware that I'm gonna meet him. Today he just said, "Are you coming? Where are you? Where are you?" And suddenly, when I found that no one is there, and he also messaged me, and then we got clicked today. And this is the divine connection. And certainly on the day of Christmas, and he met me. For me, he's just like an angel of God. Thank you for your love and blessing. And he's another one because I met him here. Thank you, thank you so much. And I love Shillong, I love Khasi, and I love the people of Meghalaya. And certainly these people are so loving and kind. They brought me here, and we're gonna celebrate Christmas here. And I want to ask you that exactly like during your childhood time, how you used to celebrate Christmas? What you used to do? From where you are exactly like?
Actually, I'm originally from Ribhoy district. This is the East Khasi district. But over there, we used to do the same thing that used to be done in the village. Cake cuttings, drinking tea, group dancing.
Group dancing,
But around here it's a little bit different. The weather around. It's family time. Later on, I understand that Christmas is a family time and sharing time, you know.
Not always going with friends and all. So friends going is good sometimes, but it's more important when you have a family, give time to family also. And if somebody is very close friend, then call them to house.
You
don't need to invite them. You don't need to invite. So that's very important. And guys, also this is what I found here, the Shillong. The people are very much, they go to each other houses during Christmas. This is the culture.
That is the culture.
Okay, so that's why it's like everybody you could talk about in whole India when Diwali happens. So people go here to there.
Yes,
the same
exactly.
in Christmas, people go from here to there in Shillong.
inviting each other
to their houses. We are going to celebrate today that Christmas, right?
Yes.
So what we are going to do first, Jack?
So today we have arranged a cake for you.
Oh wow!
And you will cut that cake.
Wow, we'll cut the cake
for the house.
For the house, for the family.
As a blessing.
As a blessing, guys. I'm so blessed that as a blessing they are treating me like a guest, special guest with a divine connection. And they said, as a blessing, you have to cut the cake. And this is, I am so blessed. And blessed are those, as written in Bible, blessed are those who bless others. So for me, you are a blessing and you are blessing me, and hence I also say God bless you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your love also. You all are like so loving here, guys. And this is the love of the people of Meghalaya and Khasi people here, especially if I talk about in the Shillong area, which is a Khasi dominant area. And these people are so welcoming and kind, guys. You must visit Shillong and you will fall in love with Shillong. Come Shillong, love Shillong, and I love Meghalaya. Yeah, together we can say love always wins, okay? Love always wins. I just got his call and I'm feeling so blessed, and I cannot imagine, and this is so beautiful moment for me, guys. And today they brought a cake for me also. Let me show you the cake. You can come, you can see, guys, from other side you can just see Merry Christmas. It's written here. Yeah, it's written Christmas. And now we're going to cut the cake as well. So guys, be ready now. So we are going to cut the cake here, and then I'm going to we can do like this. So now I'm going to cut the cake, guys. So together we can clap, ठीक है? Merry Christmas करेंगे, ठीक है? 1, 2, 3 start. Okay. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and God bless you each and everyone, especially God bless this complete family. And I wanna just first of all बच्चे को छोटे बेबी को हल्का से बोलो देवी के लिए उनके लिए इसने इतना बड़ा मुंह खोला है कि सारा आप ले लो So guys, this is the beautiful moment for me in my life. The people are celebrating Christmas with me. This is the love of Khasi people. This is the love of Meghalaya people and the people of Shillong who are so loving and kind, and they know how to really celebrate Christmas with so much of love. And then this is so beautiful, and thank you so much. Thank you very much. And together we can say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. God bless you. Thank you. Guys, as we told you that we are going to meet some Naga ladies now. So this is the Nagaland house. We are going to Nagaland house now, Nagaland house Shillong. And I think we have reached to Nagaland house. Just keep watching. We are going to show you the Nagaland house of Shillong. And is it here? Just next to the hospital. Bethany hospital aaya, Bethany hospital. And then we have the Nagaland house, guys. Here is the Nagaland house. Come. See, here's the Nagaland house. So we're gonna go inside. Just see, guys. Bhaiya. So guys, finally, as I told you, I'm going to meet the Naga ladies, all the Naga ladies out here. And this is the Nagaland house. You can see, guys, so beautiful place. And Merry Christmas to you. Hi. Nice to meet you. See, guys, so beautiful people here. And what's your name? Just tell the name.
My name is Mary.
Mary, okay. So you are from Nagaland only, or Dimapur?
Dimapur.
Oh, wow, very beautiful. And here is our Rudy, Sanktam tribe.
Hello.
I already know. Hi, Merry Christmas to you.
Merry
And
Christmas.
finally we met, and we are waiting for one more friend, na?
No.
Both of you going to come together only?
Yes.
Okay, come then. Car is there, outside. Come, guys. So we are going to go out nearby to the church area.
Oh, we'll go by this side now?
Yeah. From here, okay. The exit is this side, guys. So beautiful Nagaland house. And we have the Johnny brother with us. The car is here inside, or which side it is? Car is there. So guys, finally we are going to go to see the church and the lighting in the Shillong area, and we have both the ladies. See, the decoration here in Shillong is so beautiful. It is the place Lai Mukra. Okay, this is a place where we have a lot of cafes also, right?
Yeah.
So this is Shillong, and this is the Christmas vibe here going on. You can just feel, just see. Isn't it so beautiful, guys? Very beautiful, so nice. So this is the area where you have find the KFC also. Yeah. So here you will find the KFC also, and then it is called as Lait Mukra, and then we are moving ahead to see the church also, guys. Because I was so feeling alone here. Being honest, I feeling alone. Then suddenly I seen she was also there, and I said, "Na, Naga people are so much connected to me in a divine way." ये आप मुझे मिल गए तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हो गया. नॉर्थ ईस्ट के नागालैंड के लोग मुझे मिल गए. जब मैं भी अकेला फील कर रहा था, I was feeling alone. आप मिल गए तो मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो गया. मैंने कहा मेरे नागालैंड से लोग अगर आए हैं तो बहुत मुझे खुशी होता है ऐसे, तो मेरे को अच्छा लगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच एंड सो ब्यूटीफुल. सो वेयर यू केम फ्रॉम? कहाँ से आए थे आप? कहाँ घूम रहे थे? वेयर यू वाज रोमिंग?
We were roaming in Waltz Lake.
Waltz Lake?
Yeah.
Okay, and then where you went then after that?
And then Cathedral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you only came to reach see the Shillong?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. So directly from Dimapur or which place?
Yeah, from Dimapur.
Dimapur?
Yeah.
Oh wow, very nice. How you are feeling now you met me?
Feeling so good.
Very surprised,
Yeah.
Before we did not planned also, na? Unexpected, suddenly happened. This is called the divine connection. I am from Delhi, but you are here, and suddenly you came, and then I was just thinking to leave or not leave. I extended my stay one day, then we met like this.
Yes.
You know, people said, "Na, here you must celebrate Christmas here in Shillong." So this thing happened. So this is called the divine connection. Bas, just ho jata, because I think you loved me and you believed in me so much. Hence you received me here today. And this is called love. And hence we say love always wins. You know. So guys, finally we have reached to the church, Cathedral Church. You can just see behind me.
The boy.
The boy. You met that
the boy.
They met the
Subscribe your channel.
You subscribe my channel. See guys, this is the love of the people of Shillong, Meghalaya, and the Khasi people only.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
boy.
Christmas to you. And you can appear.
These guys are
Okay. So guys,
get 'em.
yeah, these guys, this is a Merry Christmas to you. And
you.
these people of Meghalaya love me so much. I was not aware. See guys,
Yes.
so many gathered me from Khasi only.
You?
Oh, this is the love of the people.
Yes.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you, and
Thank
this
you
is so
so much.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, so
Beautiful.
nice. I love you so much.
Love you too.
Love you. This is the love
Thank
of the
you.
people.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much. And guys, this is beautiful. I just entered here, and this is
what's
so
your name?
amazing. Angels. From which place? Khasi only? Naga?
Garo.
Garo. Oh, Garo, the Sangma people, from Shillong, staying in Shillong only. So how you feeling? I'm in your city. The boy is in your city, eh? You're also Garo?
Yeah.
Oh, Garo people. I love Meghalaya, I love Shillong, and I love Garo. It's so beautiful to come here, and I am very much amazed to see you. So beautiful, and I love you so much. Seriously. I'm at the Cathedral Church. You can see how beautiful it is. The church is so beautiful, and I'm with the beauties out here. Hi. Hi. What's your name?
My name's Rubina.
Hi. What's your name?
Angel.
And your?
Anusha.
Anusha. So guys, you can just see the people here are enjoying so much, and I just got to know they are from Garo tribe, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Garo tribe, and the people here. How are you feeling? I'm in your city now, although.
Feeling so nice.
Surprise, eh?
Yes.
You were not aware, na? I'm here. And then suddenly I see, and they seen me. She starts smiling. Man, why is he smiling? And then I was like, okay, because they feel I am their own person, right? You feel as if very close to me, isn't it? Yeah. So that is called love. And love, as I always say, guys, love always wins. And tell me one thing: how you're feeling the vibe in the Christmas time, like here at church? How you feeling? Enjoying the time?
Yes.
Yes,
Enjoying
it's so
much.
beautiful, and you can just wish everybody like Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and love always win. Love always,
Yeah, love
love
always
win. I'm at Cathedral, and I met the two lovely, beautiful ladies from Mizoram. Hi, and she's staying in Safdarjung, the place I really love in Delhi. And she is, although they are from Mizoram, right? Chibai, first of all, Chibai to you, both of you, and Merry Christmas to both of you. Merry Christmas. And guys, as I said, the people of Northeast are so loving, and the people of Mizoram are so kind and so beautiful, isn't it? So how are you feeling about this place and this church? How you feel? So isn't it so unique and beautiful?
Yeah, we really love this place.
And what do you have to say about Shillong? How you feel about Shillong?
Oh, Shillong, it's amazing, a beautiful place.
First time coming to Shillong?
No,
How many times it came? Like many times?
like yeah, many times.
And then she's also running. Where are you running? You don't have to run. She's saying and she's laughing and she's running. You tell me. How you feel about Shillong?
I'm feeling great.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Interesting.
That's interesting, no? And what do you have to say about the people, hospitality and the culture here?
Yeah,
Beautiful? Kind people? Very beautiful?
yeah.
Nice. So they're very beautiful guys, and you can just see together we can wish all the people Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. And this is Cathedral, and this is me and he, and then we have the ladies also. They are busy right now and they are enjoying with they're clicking the pictures. And guys, we really had a good time, and thank you to Johnny brother. You took us here, you took us to the church also. Itna cake bhi cutting karaya. So much blessed to have you, and thank you so much for your hospitality and love, and I'm really blessed to have you in my life, and thank you so much.
Most welcome, man.
Thank you so much. And guys, as I said, guys, we all are here to care and share each other, and he shared his love. I believe you will also share your love with your comment, like, share, subscribe. subscribe and be a part of our channel, and let us try to make the world better with love, and together we can, and together we will, and we can change the world with love. And always remember guys, just keep sharing love, and I just wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas, and you can also say Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to each and everybody. And guys, with love we can do anything and everything, and you can also say in Khasi language Merry Christmas and keep supporting.
Christmas besok ibarat bersama besok.
Oh guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video guys. If you want to be my friend on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram, and always believe love always win. Together you can say love always win. Thank you.